Webformix Wireless Internet Streaming Guide. Fewer and fewer people are watching traditional television. Streaming video through services like Netflix, Hulu, Prime, and others is the new norm. This means that households are using more internet bandwidth on average, and internet service providers must offer service plans that cater to modern internet usage habits. Which Webformix internet plan do you need for video streaming? Video streams offer different quality settings. These include standard definition, SD, at 480p, high definition, HD, at 1080p, and ultra-high definition, UHD, or 4K at 2160p. Choosing an internet service plan can be confusing. All Webformix wireless internet service tiers support streaming video in at least standard definition. Webformix Premium Streaming or higher tiers all support streaming in HD. Higher wireless internet service plan tiers allow for higher quality video and more videos streamed concurrently. How to adjust video settings. Whether you are in a Zoom call or binging some Netflix, there are options in the platform settings that allow you to pick your video quality. If you are experiencing a poor connection with long buffering times or trouble loading, try adjusting the video quality to make sure it matches the wireless internet service plan you have. For example, if you have the Webformix Value Streaming plan which supports one standard definition stream, you may need to change the settings on a video stream that automatically loads in high definition. By changing that setting to standard definition, the video stream should play normally. If left in high definition, it may lag or struggle to play. Do smart TVs work on wireless internet service? Wireless internet service is as capable as landline or DSL service in all aspects, including streaming video and smart TV usage. The available streaming apps or services will vary depending on your TV manufacturer and model, but all should work with Webformix wireless internet service. Download speeds on wireless internet. Most downloads are fairly small, such as PDFs and text files, or a couple of pictures. These don't encounter many bandwidth issues. You might encounter difficulties with your internet connection speed when you are downloading a very large number of photos or very large files for video games. The best approach to large downloads is to plan them for times, like late at night, when you will have the most bandwidth available. Download speed is the speed it takes you to retrieve something from the internet. It is usually described in terms of megabits per second, MBPs. When it comes to streaming video, the different video qualities have different requirements for download speed. Standard and high-definition video requires about 5 megabits per second per screen in use, but ultra-high definition requires at least 25 megabits per second per screen in use. Internet service for working from home. One very common problem people have is stream delays and breakup when using video conferencing applications like Zoom. Internet speed is most often thought of in terms of download speeds, but upload speeds are equally important when it comes to video conferencing. Having sufficient upload speed means your actions online will be closer to occurring in real time. At Webformix, we can adjust your upload speed and offer add-on upload speed increases if needed. Internet service for online gaming. Similar to working from home, online gaming can also require additional upload speeds. When you are playing installed games, you will not use much download speed. Like video conferencing, you want your actions online to be taking place as close to real time as possible, so upload speed and a good connection to your router are essential. You may consider connecting your device directly to your router with an Ethernet cable for the most stable connection possible. Wireless internet streaming recommendations. Remember to match your internet plan to your streaming needs. Be aware that speeds can be reduced when there are several devices using Wi-Fi. Connecting to your router directly, adjusting video quality settings, and adding additional upload speeds can help resolve issues with streaming, video conferencing, and gaming. If you are struggling to determine which Webformix internet plan is right for you, don't hesitate to give us a call. Our expert support staff is here to help by offering personalized handcrafted support.